Good afternoon, ngayon po ay September 22, 2023 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2pm result ngayong September 22, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm result ngayong Friday, September 22, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. 'See you again later for 5pm result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 22, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 37 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Friday, September 22, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for September 22, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.